Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Nazar Fatima Memorial Foundation Water Project 2025 Thar Desert Sindh, Pakistan. The hand pump has been donated on the behalf of Abdul Rahim late. May he receive reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and duas from all who benefit from this hand pump. Dua karo sab.
Ale